Hi again, everybody. I was asked a question the other day about if she, as a stroke survivor, was the only one that was bothered by bright lights and noises. And my answer to that question is no, she is not the only one. I am really bothered by bright lights, big time. In fact, if I never had an overhead light for the rest of my life, I would be thrilled. I love lamps with dimmers, the whole bit, and low lighting is my favorite, but I get into bright lights and it's very hard to deal with. Noises is another issue, and they bother me even more than they ever did before, and I can't explain why that is, but I think it's very, very common. So please know, fellow stroke survivor, that you are not the only one that feels that way. I'm sure there are many more out there that feel the same way as you and I do. Thanks again. Bye bye.